This is my Kawasaki 19 horsepower motor on my Exmark zero turn. I've had issues with it, surging, not idling for a long time, and so this is how I fixed it. As you can see, I've put new coils on it. That didn't do it. Cleaned the carburetor. That didn't do it. New fuel pump, new fuel filter. Cleaned the lines out. Did the carburetor again. Nothing has worked. So I have spent a lot of time on this, and today I found the problem. So here I will start it, and you'll hear what it sounds like. Here's how I fixed it. A little hole right there. Here's how it smooths out. So there's a little cap that goes on top of that hole there that is fallen out. It's called a Welch plug. So 2 weeks working on this thing, I finally figured it out. So I'm going to make a little plug that goes down in that hole that caps it off tight, and this thing will run. So if you've had that problem, I mean, you've tried everything, check that little hole right there, see if that cap has come off, because that's been my problem. So here's a piece I just made on my lathe. Made it out of brass. I couldn't find the Welch plug, so there's the dimensions. So I'm going to take this little piece, put it on top of the hole, just tap it in. Now we'll see what she sounds like when I start it. A little choke. There we go. There's the fix. Running smooth, no problem. I just got to put it all back together again. Okay, everything's back together. Let's see what it sounds like when I start her up. Little choke, little throttle. How's that? Burn real nice. Fixed.